my channel, Shaxitron, back with another video, and this time we are looking at these Marvel vending machine figures. Basically, they're a little ball with the body of the figure inside. They had this vending machine in front of the comic book store in Pike's Place Market in Seattle when I was hanging out with my brother and some other people. Got these for $1 each, and they're all random, by the way, but me and my brother traded, so we got the ones we wanted. I wanted Dr. Doom and Venom. He wanted Wolverine and Spider-Man. I got Spider-Man and he got Venom, so we switched. So it all worked out. These are pretty cool. They're a little novelty. But basically, it's wrapped in plastic, which I'll show you in one of the figures I haven't opened up yet. And then you just open them up like so. They got a little body on the inside. A little short little body. My arm here on Dr. Doom has rubbed off a little bit, but it's not bad for $1. So basically, the way you assemble this, there's a little notch right here and a little nub right there. Basically, you push it in like that. Same thing on the other side. You put it together like so. I do it just right. Kind of tricky to do. Come on. There you go. So there is the Dr. Doom figure. Come on, close. So I don't want to break this, but there is a Dr. Doom figure. Very, very, very cool. Looks like Dr. Doom, alright. Just a little fat and chibi, but very cool. It's about 2 inches high, 2.5 inches. Not bad for $1. If you want something to put on your desk, that'll be perfect. So taking a look at, like, this one is wrapped also. So here's Thing. He is wrapped, just to show you what it looks like. He's completely wrapped in this plastic. Just like that. Very, very cool cartoony Thing face. Nice detailing. Not bad for $1. Same thing. You open it up like so. There's a little body. Then you assemble it just the same way. Don't put his head on backwards just like I almost did. But you angle it like that. Come on the back here. Angle it down. And then there you go. There is Thing. Or the Thing. Fantastic Four, little belt buckle. Very, very, very cool. Like I said, not bad for $1. So there's the Thing. Next, we have Daredevil. I still have not watched the Netflix series, so please, guys, no spoilers. I really like the Daredevil. A few of his comics. Read them when I was a kid. Haven't really read any comics lately. Been wanting to get back into them, but very, very, very cool. And the same way, open them up. There's Daredevil with his logo on the front, the 2 D's. And then you assemble him just like that. This one's a little easier to assemble for some reason. Bam. And they do have articulation. You can move their heads almost 360 degrees, and then this pops open. So almost. Oops. Hang on. Very, very, very cool. Like I said, not bad for $1. But if you're trying to get the entire collection, you're going to get some doubles, just like me and my brother did. So, saving the best for last. And my favorite one that I got, and I'm glad I got, Venom. Very, very cool. Just look at that. His tongue wraps all the way around his head. But open it up. There is the spider on his chest. So focus. There you go. Very, very, very cool. And then on his back. Very awesome. Assemble it just the same way. This one I had trouble on, I remember. Lining it all upright. There you go. Almost. There is Venom. Very, very cool. Just ignore this little thing. It's not closing right. But like I said, not bad for $1. I do want to get more of these if I have a chance. I just completely forgot I had these guys, and I had a review on them just to show you guys, even though there's probably videos about these guys already, but I really like them. Kind of pissed I didn't get Wolverine, and my brother did, so maybe next time. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I got more videos coming, just on just a bunch of random stuff that I like and I feel I need to do a review on. But thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.